cinematic history and film culture and is majorly informed by film theory. Unlike what some people may believe, film study is not concerned with filmmaking or the technical life of film production itself, but it is rather focused on studying cinema, the way a woman produces art or literature.
ઓનલાઈનમાં એવા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ બેઠા છે કે કંઈ કહેતા જ નથી, અવાજ આવે છે નથી આવતો. They're not at all responding and telling that sound is muted or not.
We are getting noise from your side.
Sir, here is unmute. Mute.
Okay. So, Montet's techniques in a film studies. First of all, what is film studies? Film studies is an institutionalized academic discipline that focuses on the serious study of films, cinematic history, and film culture, and is majorly informed by film theory. Unlike what some people may believe, film study is not concerned with filmmaking or the technicalities of film production itself, but it is rather focused on studying cinema the way one would with art or literature. It involves not just analyzing the content of film, but also looking into its form, the narrative, techniques, styles, elements, and the historical, socio-political, economic, and culture aspect and context surrounding it. The article aims to provide an introduction to what the film entails by delving into his history and further looking into some of the major concepts involved. So, introduction. One of the most fundamental aspect of the medium of film is the ability to edit and rearrange images and shot to create a story. The difficulty in editing and film in a general is to be both effective and efficient at the same time. This enable the audience to understand the story while also being completely engaged. One of the most useful tools that filmmakers have to execute this is the montage. These days, nearly every Hollywood film includes a montage. But a montage is more than just a highlight reels set to music. It's a technique that can help the director and editor of a movie advance the story quickly and effectively. So first of all, what let's see the what is montage. Montage is a technique of film editing that combines a series of shots, stores, or clips into one sequence, often set to music. The word montage is French for assembly or editing. Montage sequence often imply the passage or time or multiple simultaneous events and are vehicle to present the audience with a lot of information at once. They can be montage can be used to evoke a range of emotions. For example, like in a romantic comedy, a montage can show a sense of growing lover or attraction between two love interests, getting to know one another. In a sports movie, a montage can show an athlete training for a big game and heighten suspense or tension about the outcome. In a drama, a montage can underscore grief and sadness by showing a widow struggling with the loss of her husband. In a horror movie, a montage can show the main characters preparing to defend their home against a killer or supernatural force. So, what is the role of the montage? In the silent era, the film could make the audience laughing through the exaggerate movements and expressions. But now, with the science and technology's development and progress, the simple audience psychological needs, the gorgeous colors, wonderful music, compact rhythm, and the perfect plot. All of these have become the measured scale that a film is good looking or not. The montage is one of the important factors to decide the film's success or failure. Not only the aspect of structure, story, plots, creation, figure, characters, rich expressive force of the film, montage has an important role which cannot be replaced by other art means, but also in the aspect of attracting the viewer desire, mobilizing the viewer's emotion. Montage even has played a key and decisive role the development of the montage. Montage exists in a people's daily life. Everyone has his these feelings when you're watching a theater or a film. You will pay attention to someone or some special part on the stage accompanied by the plots or personal preference, instead of your eyes unmoved to keep a close watch on some place. This is actually explained that as the audience, we make a montage editing for the watching contents in their unconsciousness. In the film and television works, the charm of montage is that it can not only bring the visual enjoyment to the audience, meanwhile, it can let the audience in the same time experience. Why use montage? So, for this speed up time, whether it's day, a week, a month, a year, or a decade, a montage can accelerate time in a way that makes sense to the audience and stay true the story. It can be like highlight reel for the action passing, for the convey a lot of information at once. Sometimes a story has a crucial details of to communicate, but a director doesn't want to devote a great deal of time to explaining them. So a montage can speed up that process and catch up the audience up in a matter of seconds. Heighten tension. You may have noticed that many montages happen about two-thirds of the way through movie. Often right after the climax of the story, a montage can renew and reinvigate an audience interest in a character or a storyline as the film builds to a conclusion. For that, compare and contrast. Alternatively, sometimes montage happens at the very beginning of a movie. A montage that compare and contrast the daily lives or routine of two characters can establish their statuses and thus their levels of power in relation to one another. It's for that reveal character. A montage can be a vehicle to reveal the ways a character is changing from quick cuts of a drug hallucination one night to the effect of illness over the course of 6 months. A montage can help the audience quickly understand a dramatic shift in a character's physical or mental state. Combine multiple storylines. There isn't always time to feature every single storyline from start to finish. A montage is an effective way to combine storylines and ensure every character gets their due. For that, combine multiple storylines. There is not always time to feature every single storyline from start to finish. A montage is an effective way to combine storylines and ensure every character gets their due. So, what is the common montage film techniques? A montage may use a variety of film techniques, including but not limited to. So, quick cuts. Typically, movie montages features numerous shots cut together in a quick successions. This allow time to pass and the story to advance, but without leaving the audience behind. No dialogue. This is not a hard and fast rule, but many montages adopt the show don't tell philosophy. Characters talking about how they feel in a scenes is generally not something that works. Showing it in a montage instead can be highly effective. Less is often more, especially in a film. Voice over narration. A skillful voiceover can clearly and artfully convey important information to the audience. A disembodied voice may narrate what's happening during a montage, providing more context. Music. Montages use music to underscore the action that is unfolding quickly and the emotions and the characters are experiencing. Sometimes the montage is supremos text on the screen to quickly relay information and updates about the character and the story. This often happens at the end as an epilogue to the film. uh, uh, Soviet montage theory. So, Soviet montage theory is a film movement that took place in Soviet Russia during the 1910 to 20th century, and it to the early 13th century. It was the founded by Lev Kuleshov while he was teaching at the Moscow Film School. After the 1917 Russian Revolution, filmmakers begin experimenting with different creative editing techniques. Eisenstein, who started making films in the early 20th century, demonstrated the significance of individual frames in his trademark montage editing. Rather than simply cutting together a series of independent shots, he took a more layered approach to the art form. Eisenstein didn't invent the film montage, but he didn't did elevate and change the way directors use the technique. Eisenstein play with a short length movement and cuts to emotionally affect audience. Sergei Eisenstein talk about the five different methods of montage throughout out his work. These varieties of montage build one upon the other, so the higher forms also include the approaches of this simpler variety. These are the five types. One is a metric, where the editing follows a specific number of frames. This is based purely on the physical nature of time cutting to the next shot, no matter what is happening within the image. The reason for this is to get an emotional reaction from the audience. Second is rhythmic. The cutting happens for the sake of continuity. This creates visual continuity, but it may also be used in order to keep with the pace of the film. Third is the tonal. A tonal montage uses the emotional meaning of the shots, not just manipulating the temporal length of the cuts or its rhythmical characteristic. The point of this to elicit a reaction that is more complex than rhythmic and metric. Fourth is overtonal, an accumulation of metric, rhythmic, and tonal montage of synthesis, its effect on the audience for an even more abstract and complicated effect. Fifth is intellectual. It uses a combination of shots from outside the film in order to create a meaning. So, example of the Soviet montage theory. Here you can see the picture of one man in a same expression. So when the audience was shown the footage of the man looking at the dead woman, they described that they could feel feels his sadness. In the middle row, the same images of the man had been used. However, he is depicted reacting to the bowl of soup. The audience seeing this describe empathizing with his hunger, and when paired with the image of this recycling woman, audience assumed the man experienced lust. So through the shot of the model is the same in each scene. This is mental phenomenon is known as the Kuleshov effect. Kuleshov effect. Video देखे? It's visible? Now? Okay. So for the examples of the montage sequence, I would like to show one Hindi film song. So let's start.
One, two, very good. Three, four, five, six.
Okay, done. Yes.
It's visible? Okay. So in this song, you can see the montage sequence. Here, montage used to show time passing multiple events in a condensed way. Here, director tried to represent the journey of their couple to the before their marriage, to after the born of their baby girl and her fastest growth through the montage sequence in a one song. So, conclusion, a good works of a film and television cannot do without the editing art. The excellent editing can do without the support to montage theory and practice. In the film editing, montage theory is in the continuous development and improvement, keeping the montage thought, making the montage to play its biggest role in the film, showing the important role of montage in the film, making both the editing and montage realize the perfect combination which will make the montage theory becoming better and approaching perfection day by day. Here is my references. Thank you.